Hey, welcome back into Good Day, Alabama. Jeh Jeh Pruitt here on Birmingham South Side at the Path Foundation. We are talking hypnosis today. Now, for most of you, you think hypnosis is a guy sitting on a stage and he snaps his finger and somebody starts barking like a dog. Well, you know, I don't believe that's the kind of hypnosis we're talking about today. Dr. Martin, tell me, of course, I'm sure everybody's thinking like I used to think that, oh, you can hypnotize somebody and you can make them act all crazy and stuff. But what is hypnosis and what is it used for, really?
Well, all hypnosis is self-hypnosis. And what we did a while ago was help you get into that state of hypnosis that everybody experiences. Everybody does it every night when they go to sleep. They don't realize it. What we did, though, was keep you just at that level just before sleep. And that's the place where your mind and your body are totally connected. And so you demonstrated that a while ago when you were able to get numbness in your hand, and then you transferred that numbness to your jaw. So what you can do with that is you can use that like if you go to the dentist's office to have total numbness and total control. Women have demonstrated it many times using it for childbirthing, to have childbirth without pain. And we teach that. That's one of the classes that we teach. We teach a series of hypnosis training courses for people that want to use it for therapy. Because hypnosis for therapy is not the same thing that you see on the stage. That's
Exactly.
Totally different.
Exactly. Now, you were telling me earlier that hypnosis really basically is just to get the mind to concentrate on one thing. And we've got some video that we want to show you that was shot earlier this morning of where you actually had me in the session and you were just trying to get me to actually kind of concentrate on one thing.
Right. What we did was a demonstration with you of silent hypnosis. Now, most people expect hypnosis to be suggestion. Suggestion is usually verbal suggestion. What we used was silent suggestion using sign language. I did passes, I did things like that Mesmer used to use thousands of years ago, hundreds of years ago, and different things like that. And you went into hypnosis, and you went into a very deep state pretty quickly. Now, that's a good demonstration because it shows you that you're in hypnosis, and then you can start to control your body or any part of your mind or anything like that.
And I got to tell you, I really didn't believe in hypnosis, but actually when I concentrated and you told me about my hand was numb and that kind of thing, I really didn't feel it that much. But I want to really talk about some other things that you talked about. You and your wife, Cheryl, both hypnotists, and
right.
you both work here out of your office. You talked about, and we're short on time here, but there's a couple of programs that you said it's a cell command therapy,
right.
and a super learning therapy. Tell us about those two very briefly.
Okay, cell command therapy is using the tool of hypnosis in a deep trance state to command the cells to regenerate and restore. And they can regenerate and restore perfectly without damage or disease or things like that.
And most of the people use that are the people who have maybe, I guess, alcohol drinkers and alcoholic people, physical problem. And now tell me about the super learning thing real fast.
Okay, now super learning is learning to focus with your mind in the right way. See, because we've all learned how to learn and we learned incorrectly. So we learn to focus and we don't focus. We get distracted by all kinds of other things. Well, with super learning, you learn to focus intently so that you store the information and you can recall it perfectly. It's like total recall.
All right, there you go. All right, now you can also use hypnosis to stop smoking, to lose weight, also the number of things that happens. And if you'd like to know more information about hypnosis, you can call Dr. Martin at 322-PATH. That's 322-7284. And I tell you, it's been an experience for me today, Doctor, and I appreciate it. And I invite anybody else to come up here and try it. Thank you so much.
Good. Thank you very much.
All right, we send it back to you guys in the studio.
All right, thanks a lot, Jeh Jeh.
Okay.